First you take off the straps and unroll it and flatten it out. Then you pull this part in to fold it, and you need to make this reach over here, which requires kind of hugging it. Put this back. I'm going to put the carter pit in. Next, you need to make this piece. It was often like this to begin with. Take it, flip it so it's away from this metal clip, and you're going to lever it towards, which is pretty freaking difficult. So you want it to be like here, but under the clip. Okay, I think I figured out a way to make this possible. It requires 2 clamps like these. Maybe 1 you can get away with. Okay. Put it on there. Clamp it, not too tight. You don't want to mess up the metal clip that's here. Just hold it in place, and then clamp the fold of all this plastic. Let's move it further over. Clamp it down real snug. Take this one off, because you've got to pivot this down under the black clamp. Stand in here. Lift this clamp. Pivot on up. There it goes. I did it. Putting on the foam side rails, lining up the slots with the handle rope, starting from the middle, and then just make sure you kind of spread it and put it down over the leather situation. Then that side handle goes up through these slots, snugs on the top to secure the foam. Here goes my guess for how the seat goes. Fold, fold. Magically the Velcro strap appears. You're going to wrap it around. I don't have an extra hand. And then Velcro it down. Wrap that Velcro around. Cool. There's a loop here that you put the carry shoulder strap in through. It Velcros open so you can get it in there. Then the little carabiners clip on to these side handles. You might want to replace it with better carabiners. I don't know. And then bam, there you are, sitting in a boat. Supported. Woohoo! There it is in all its glory. A folding kayak.